Well, a bit of colour on this stormy day. That's right, that's a very blue EP3 Civic. And here she is up on the dyno. So as Richard centralises her, we'll then strap her and then we'll do a standard power run and see what we've got to start with. We'll find out what mods it's got. Okay, so this EP3 has got a induction kit of some description. It's also got a 4:1 manifold and 2.5 inch exhaust. So we're going to do our initial power run now, aren't we, Richard?
We are.
And we're going to see what she makes and we're going to start tuning from there. Good morning, Richard.
Not that there's anything wrong with the Mark IV Golf.
I never said there was anything wrong with the Mark IV.
Oh, sorry.
We're just having a discussion about Mark IV Golf.
We're having a discussion about Mark IV Golf today. I just thought I'd bring it into our conversation.
I used to have a Mark IV Golf.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, I was down on my look at the time.
Yeah. Right, okay, so lovely blue EP3, obviously been repainted in blue. I think it was originally a red car. Well, under the bonnet's red anyway, but redone in blue. Got some very basic mods on it, got a cheaper induction kit, but look at it, I can't tell exactly what kit it is. It sort of goes down and under the headlight area. It's got a sort
4:1 and a 2.5 inch exhaust.
2.5 inch exhaust, looks like a HKS sort of Jack can type style back box to me. Came in at 206. We've done our usual, obviously mapped up and mapped a lot of the mods that we've got. And finished at 225 today. Customers happy with that. You expected 220. So
it's made over 50 brake horsepower, 5,800 RPM.
Yeah. So like you say, good mid-range gains, good top-end gains. You know, when you look at the the power under the curve from the obviously original run to after mapped, it's great. We could talk about these to the cows come home probably, but people.
Good result.
People want to know the basics, and it's made a good result. So I'm happy with that. Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. As you can see, power made right across the rev range there. Extended the rev limit a little bit, lowered the Vtec a little bit, and we've got ourselves a whopping, over 50 brake horsepower in that mid-range, which is impressive, and it's going to transform the way this car drives. We finished today on 225 and 168 foot-pound of torque. That's 190 at the wheels. Yeah, really happy. It's got some bits on it, ain't it? I like the wheels. I like the wheels. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Today is the day where that storm Eunice hit, so I hope you're all safe and I hope you're all well, and I hope none of your cars get damaged. I had an Evo once that got damaged in the storm, and I've just remembered, and I'm starting to tell everyone about it again because I cried for a little while. But yeah, so there you go. Thanks for sticking around. Code word in the comments below is Blue EP3 mapped. So go. What?
Why didn't you mention it?
What?
You ain't got an Evo, have you?
I have.
Why didn't you mention it?
I'm going to mention it. I don't drive it, but I've got one. Right, see you all at the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.